Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So this could be our last bantam update mga kabuchi. We only have 4 bantams left mga kabuchi and they are all roosters. We no longer have hens mga kabuchi. The weather mga kabuchi, the rain, the daily rain mga kabuchi is harming my bantam chickens mga kabuchi. So that's the only bantam who is healthy mga kabuchi, and it's right now the only bantam who is free to roam mga kabuchi. You see, the cage is open. That rooster can get out mga kabuchi. It is free mga kabuchi because it's healthy. And then we have here another bantam chicken mga kabuchi, Mr. Guapo mga kabuchi. So look at my bantam mga kabuchi. Very sick. And just above it is this one, the cat. So I don't know if it can survive today mga kabuchi, but probably when we will back next week mga kabuchi, this Mr. Guapo mga kabuchi will probably die mga kabuchi. So this is quite sad mga kabuchi. So as I am saying, this could be my last bantam chicken update mga kabuchi. And then I have also here Saski. Hello Saski. So Saski is also weak mga kabuchi. Oh. Look at Saski, but at least Saski is better than Mr. Guapo mga kabuchi. So Saski, I'm not sure if we can still feature Saski next week mga kabuchi. So my bantam chickens are dying mga kabuchi. And then we have here mga kabuchi si Rokawa. I think Rokawa is also healthy mga kabuchi, but I cannot free Rokawa mga kabuchi because he's a coward bantam chicken mga kabuchi, and he cannot fight the chicken outside mga kabuchi, the red one mga kabuchi. Look at the miming mga kabuchi eating the food for the chicken. So I think Rokawa is doing well mga kabuchi. Unlike Saski mga kabuchi, Saski is weak and this one is dying. So we have 2 cats right now mga kabuchi. This one, Gara, and the other one. So probably this is our last bantam chicken update mga kabuchi. Next week, I may not see them mga kabuchi. Probably I have those 2 healthy because I think Rokawa over there mga kabuchi. Rokawa there still healthy, and this one. But we cannot also underestimate the disease that we have mga kabuchi because I think it's communicable. So we will never know mga kabuchi. And then we are slowly converting our bantam fence to a nursery mga kabuchi. And we also rearrange. So we put some of the plants here mga kabuchi. So the plan right now mga kabuchi is to extend our philodendron garden here in our bantam fence mga kabuchi. Because if I only have single roster left mga kabuchi, then that roster we can let it roam or all over the place mga kabuchi. So we can still let the chicken stay while we have our philodendrons here mga kabuchi. because roosters are not like hens mga kabuchi. Well, really, sige, tawag ana, kabkab sa soil mga kabuchi. So roosters are not like that. So it's not that devastating to our garden. So we can keep a rooster here mga kabuchi. A rooster and a philodendron together. So quite sad mga kabuchi. This could be our last bantam chicken update. They are dying mga kabuchi. All hens are gone. Then roosters left but suffering with some illness mga kabuchi. Though I still have plan to have some other types of bantam mga kabuchi. But before I'm going to acquire Serama bantam chicken mga kabuchi, because my plan is to change from OEG, Old English bantam chicken, to Serama. I need to build a house because one thing that's very discouraging mga kabuchi when you have bantam chickens are the holes mga kabuchi. So it's possible that snakes will also use and stay in that hole mga kabuchi. We have so many holes. So we cannot stop the rats mga kabuchi. So I have to plan to build a good bantam fence mga kabuchi wherein the rats and wherein the rats mga kabuchi can no longer dig holes. So for that we need to stop raising bantam chickens and wait for the rats to leave this area mga kabuchi. So hopefully the rats will leave this area mga kabuchi. So after the rats abandon this area mga kabuchi, we will see what we will do. But right now mga kabuchi, we will be using this area to for our philodendron garden mga kabuchi. It's sad mga kabuchi because this area used to be so full of bantam chickens. But now the bantam chickens are gone mga kabuchi. And so the reason also why these philodendrons are inside this fence mga kabuchi is one, to protect them from the chicken, two, to protect them from the rain. They are still babies mga kabuchi and they cannot survive heavy rains. And so that's it. It's goodbye time to our bantam chickens mga kabuchi, and hopefully we can still get another opportunity to raise some Serama bantam chickens mga kabuchi. So that's the next project, but before that I need to plan for a bantam fence mga kabuchi. Okay, so this is the end of our video mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.